So the first thing that I did this morning was work out. So I did half an hour on my exercise bike, and I ignore the whole other stuff. I just literally just do half an hour. I'm not even sure how accurate the calorie burner thing is and whatever. But yeah, not cheap. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm actually at home all day today. I've got a Tesco's delivery coming, and I've got loads and loads of paperwork to do for restaurant stuff, and I'm going to wash my hair, hence why it looks the way it looks. But I thought that I would do another way in the day because you guys seem to be enjoying that, and I'm going to try something a little bit different today as well, which I haven't ever made before. I've eaten it, but I haven't made it, so we'll see how it goes for dinner. But actually I'm going to make a recipe for, we've got my uncle staying here at the moment as well because he's helping with some building work in the restaurant. So I'm going to make them a dinner as well because they won't get back till late and I'm home all day. So I'm going to make a chicken and chorizo paella, I think, maybe, I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, I did half an hour on the exercise bike as soon as I woke up. Now I'm going to make some coffee, and then I will go and have a shower probably, and let's have coffee in my, we were on a break mug. I'll go and have a shower and have some breakfast after that. But yeah, hopefully when I come back I'll be looking somewhat more presentable than how I'm looking right now, because it's not very presentable at all, and my house needs a very, very good tidy because I've not been home hardly any days this week, so it's due a tidy. I'm just looking outside, there's like a weird thing. So I'm going to drink this coffee and then I'm going to go and wash my hair, but it's just, I don't know what, I'm really enjoying this coffee. It's that caramel little one thing that I keep blabbering on about, but I'm just really, really enjoying like just having like a little coffee break. It's just, I don't know, I've discovered that I quite like it. Mind you, I went to Costa yesterday with my friend, like before we went to work, and I still thought the coffee was strong, so I like it, but yeah. So I'm going to wash my hair as well, and I'm going to try this conditioner. It's got no parabens and sulfates can irritate my scalp a little bit sometimes, so I'm going to try that, and then the clarifying conditioner as well, deep purifying conditioner. So see how I like those after. So my beauty blenders needed a wash, so I tried that microwave thing. Doesn't work. I'm going to have to just wash them normally. I don't have a problem washing them normally, but I thought I'd try that fairy liquid, put it in there for a minute situation, but I don't really think that really did anything. So I've got on with a couple of bits that I needed to do, and now I'm just going to have some breakfast. I try and let myself actually feel hungry and then have it rather than just do it that way. But in here I've got some strawberries under here, some apple and some not blackcurrants, what are they? Blackberries. Love blackberries. And a little bit of yogurt. The post just came a little while ago as well, and there's some kind of gifted blogger mail here for some Mother's Day goodies, but also Michaela, aka Miss Budget Beauty's book arrived, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna have a little read of this tonight, but if you're watching this, congratulations babe, because it's a big deal that you wrote a book. But yeah, so this lovely gift set from the Sanctuary, a couple of others. I won't show everything because I'm going to put it in a video, but this in particular is just the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen. So yeah, I'm going to put this stuff away now and hoover, and then carry on with some work that I need to do. And it's not lunchtime yet, but I don't know what I'm going to have for lunch. So it's about 2:30, which is, I know it's late for some people's lunch, but I kind of have been doing it like this and I quite like it. But I've got some salad that I've just made, which has got iceberg lettuce, sweet corn, red onion and cucumber, and lots of salt and pepper and some low-fat mayo just kind of mixed in as a dressing. I know it looks weird, but it's so nice. The crunch of the lettuce and the creaminess that the kind of dressing gives, it's just delicious. If you ate meat, you could put a bit of chicken with it. That would be really lovely. Or ham if you like ham. But I don't eat meat, obviously. You could put hard-boiled eggs in it, but I'm not a big fan of hard-boiled eggs, so I won't do that. But I'm going to go and just eat this and then carry on with some of the paperwork that I'm doing. So I have put the shopping away. I didn't bother doing a little haul and showing you because it wasn't kind of super exciting shopping, and it was stuff like toilet paper as well, and like bits that weren't for me, so I didn't think that was necessarily super interesting. And I had another coffee, hence why my mug's there. And I'm still trying to sort out the paperwork, which is basically, I'm trying to sort out the premises license for the restaurant, which is the license you have to serve alcohol. Now, I have done the course to get the personal license. I've done all the paperwork for that. I've got my card and everything. That's all done. That's all fine. Great. The premises license, on the other hand, is actually quite a complicated form to fill out, and you have to get it exactly right, and there isn't tons of help available to be able to show you how to do that. The council kind of give you a little bit of direction, but it's not tons of direction. So yeah, I'm kind of struggling with that. So what I'm going to do is, I mean, honestly, I've been trying to do this for weeks now, and it's hard. What I would like is to be able to speak to somebody who's done it and just ask a couple of questions. But obviously, locally, A, we don't really know that many people, and B, it's competition, so I don't think people would want to help, will they? Which is fine. That's, understandable. But so I'm going to read my book thing that came with the course again and try and see if I can get some pointers from that. But it's just the way the form is laid out is really, really complicated, and there's lots of different sections, and you only have to fill in certain sections for certain bits and whatever. So I've just had a little break from doing that because I was doing my head, wasn't doing my head any good, and I've just filed my nails and sorted out my cuticles and put some hand cream on, and that, so that I can paint my nails a little bit later on this evening. And I've got the telly on in the background. I've got the Kevin O'Quan Beauty and the Beast in Me thing just in the background. I have to have something on in the background. I like to have music on in the background if I'm doing something, or something on telly, and I just like that. So I'm going to carry on now though. And my lips, insanely dry at the moment. I don't know what's going on because it's actually a bit warmer, but I'm starting to wonder if maybe they look a weird colour as well, don't they? Why are they so dry? I'm absolutely despairing of this form. I really don't know how to go about this. And I've been searching for examples for ages, but there aren't any online. So I need to, you need to fill it out on the computer, but the form isn't like compatible to being able to fill it on the computer, so you've got to then convert it, and it wanted a whole update when I was trying to make it into a PDF, and it was the whole thing, so I'm not going to do that. But I think what I'm going to do is I am going to go and just prep a few bits for dinner, chop some onions because I'm making 2 different things, and just leave it for a minute, and then when Paul comes back, get him to just convert it in a way that's easier for me because my laptop's not playing ball with me, and then I'll just do the rest of it this evening because I just am getting annoyed now. And I've gone and put some lip balm on because my lips were just so horrible and dry, so we'll see. But yeah, I think I'm going to go and prep stuff for dinner because I'm going to make paella, I don't know how you say it. Shall we just go with paella? I don't know, for dinner. And I'm going to make for me, like baked eggs thingy in tomato sauce, which I've always grown up calling it shakshuka, which is what some people do call it now. But it's very, very popular in Israel. It's kind of like a breakfasty, brunchy thing that people have there. And I don't like mine really, really spicy, and I've never actually made it myself. I've had it when my mum makes it, because I think it's a nice kind of dinner that's a bit different. So I'm going to try and make some of that for me, but I want my eggs to be really, really cooked through because I'm a bit funny about it otherwise. So we'll see how that goes. And I need to find a pan to make it in that'll work because I'm not too sure. But I'm going to just like chop some onions, measure some stuff out and get everything ready for when Paul and my uncle are sort of heading back. I don't think it'll be for a little while anyway, but just so kind of it's ready and I can get that done, and then have a shower. I need to put some fake tan on tonight, and I'm gonna do my nails as well. So I've been prepping some bits for the paella and that. I've got my bits of onion and that prepped there, and because I'm home alone, I'm listening to my guilty pleasure playlist. Does anyone else have a guilty pleasure playlist? On my guilty pleasure playlist, we have songs from The Greatest Showman, from Mamma Mia 1 and 2, some Spice Girls, some Britney, some S Club, and plenty more other embarrassing things. And it's not the type of music that I like to listen to necessarily when I have company, because, and by company I even just mean Paul, because he just mocks me endlessly about why I listen to S Club. But it's my like throwback guilty pleasure when I was like 11 throwback playlist, and I love it. The Greatest Showman, I maintain, is still great to listen to anyway, and I do listen to that whenever, like, I might listen to it in the car sometimes. But yeah, Spice Girls is dodgy, isn't it? But I love it sometimes. So I've got the sauce for the shakshuka cooking, and I have got the kind of mix for the paella, so chicken, chorizo, blah 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 in there. The rice is going to go in a minute. I've never made it before, some of it, like, but it'll be alright. But it's actually 7 o'clock and I'm a bit hungry now, so hopefully dinner shouldn't be too much longer. And if you're wondering, I'm using for the paella a BBC food recipe, so I'll link it down below. So I'm gonna go and have a shower now. Dinner was a success. They loved the paella. They both were raving about it and said it was really, really nice. So that's cool. Paul ate a massive blooming portion of it because he's so greedy. And my shakshuka wasn't that nice. I've decided that I struggle with eggs a bit, is my problem. Like, I only like it if it's an omelette with scrambled eggs, as in if the two are mixed. Otherwise it grosses me out a bit. Like, the flavour was nice, it was cooked how it was meant to be cooked, but that put me off just a bit. So yeah, shove my hair up, shower, fake tan, nails, and then watch something in bed. So I thought I'd just show you as well for fake tan. I've been testing this out. This is only the second time I've used it from Saint-Tropez, and it's such an unusual product. It smells beautiful, nothing like fake tan, and it gives you a really lovely kind of subtle glow. Not super dark, but I'm going to try it again today and see how I feel. But really, really nice. I mean, to be honest, Saint-Tropez can't really put foot wrong with their tanning products. I like everything that I've ever tried from them, but this smells so good. It's 9:30 now, and we're going to get into bed. Well, I'm already in bed. Paul's just taking the recycling out. But yeah, we're going to get into bed, watch a bit of telly, and then just go to sleep, because I have got work in the morning, and I want, like, to just chill, and we haven't seen each other all day either, so it'd be nice to just, like, spend some time together. And I'm going to paint my nails as well. I'm going to use this Berry nail polish in, is it called Rose Hip? Like a pinky one. I'm going to just do that. It's like a whitey pink. And we're either going to watch Triple Frontier on Netflix, because it has Ben Affleck and Charlie Hunnam in it, which are two of my faves. Or we're going to watch that Idris Elba series that's on there. We do need to watch that Ricky Gervais Afterlife thing as well, but maybe we'll finish the Idris Elba thing first. We'll see. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you soon. Bye.